comment on YouTube about our Yucca gigantea. What do we do with it in the wintertime? Well, during a cold snap like this, generally the thing's on its own. But when you get a real bad cold snap like we had 2008, you throw a piece of plastic over it like that. This one's under some trees, close to the building, very close to the house. And I suspect maybe is half a degree milder than the minus 6.6 we recorded in the Stevenson screen about 100 feet away or so from this Yucca gigantea. I partly wrapped the bubble plastic around the lower part of the trunk, and I just kind of sat it on there with no tape. So only time will tell. But like I say, it's been here since June 2007, and it hasn't been frozen yet. So when we take that off in the spring, we're going to have to see, right? So stay tuned for an update when we unveil the Yucca gigantea here on Salt Spring Island. That is a 9B plant, that's for sure. And like I say, we didn't get below 20 degrees Fahrenheit this part of the garden. Thanks for watching. Stay warm. Cheers.